Movin. I want to challenge you. Rubik's Cube.
Let's do this.
We're gonna see who can solve it faster.
Faster.
You want to do it?
Yes!
OBearry! Who do you think's gonna win?
Me.
You?
Yeah.
Ah, it's blowing.
What do you think? Who's gonna win?
I think I'm gonna win because it was my idea.
Oh, let's do this.
I got the Rubik's cubes here, and now we're just enjoying this beautiful Saturday in downtown New York. Are you ready?
I think so.
Okay, the first one to beat their cube wins. It's
Yes.
very simple.
Yeah.
Ready, set, go!
Go!
You smell like a cow!
Left, right, no!
It would be so annoying if you do that. Like upright,
Oh,
inverted,
right,
inverted,
right.
front inverted. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna die? Who's gonna win? Who's gonna die? Who's gonna win and die and die and win? Oh shit! No!
Boom!
Good job! Good job! I'm so. This is so. I want to do it again. I want to. Do you want to do a rematch?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes,
Let's do it again.
please.
Okay, so I'm gonna scramble this.
You won't give up.
No, we're gonna play until I win. Round 2. 3, 2, 1, go!
Go!
Where's the white side? Stupid white side.
I knew that. You're there already. No.
Beat you now, you Indian boy! Whoa, no, no, no.
No.
You know what I'm doing?
No. But it's good whatever you're doing. Keep doing it.
But no! No! How did you? How did you? No! No! No!
I
What is this? So bad.
Boo! Bad Barry.
He won again! I can't believe it. So thank you guys for watching. Love you guys. Stay positive.
More upcoming challenges.
Mwah.